Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how you can download Zoom videos from Zoom recording links. I have seen a couple of videos which tells you to edit the HTML code to download it. But what if you have multiple videos to download? With this method, you can download Zoom videos without any hassle. So let's see. So this is the video link that I want to download. Let's open it. So this is the recording that I want to download. But if you see here, my right click is not working. So what I'll do, I'll go to Chrome app, Chrome Web Store, search for enable right click, and you have to add this Chrome extension. So you can see I have already added this. So it is coming here as remove from Chrome. So let's go back. So once you have opened the video which you want to download, just go here where you can see enable right click on Google Chrome. Just click it. Now you can see our right click is open. Just right click on the video, save video as, and wherever you want to save, just save the video. You can see the video is getting downloaded. So let's get it downloaded and then we can see if it's downloading the whole video or not. So let's see. Still 40 seconds to go. I think my internet is a bit slow today, but okay, let's see. So this method you can use for any of the videos that is on Zoom. Seven seconds left. So this method works. So I'm making this video on 2nd of November IST. So this method works till today. And if you open this, you can see the video and the whole video is here. So let me know in the comments if you like this method, and please share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.